Lila, where are we?
Imagine City.
Imagine City.
This Kids Safari, we went to Imagine City. Imagine City is in Palmdale, California.
Go quick! The train is coming!
It's like a little town for kids.
Make some food.
Everything is kids size. You have a house,
Washing your hands.
a mechanic shop,
My car for this much money?
sure. A restaurant. I'm sorry, but I don't have any hamburgers. So much more. Dad, I want to go on a train.
You want to do the train?
Yeah.
Okay,
I want to train too.
let's go.
I like to get train. And around the whole city is a train. Then it's moving.
Wow.
We got to ride the train a whole bunch of times.
Lila, what are we doing?
We're riding on the train.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah. It runs about every 10 minutes. Bye, Dada. You have to have a wristband to ride it. When you ride it, it looks like you go through different parts of the world. Inside the house, you have a kitchen.
Is that a lemon?
And all these things to play with that are all kid size. At the restaurant, you get to make fake food and pretend to eat peas and bread.
I get peas and bread?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pay you this $50 for some salmon and peas. Salmon pea sandwich.
Yeah, share nicely.
Oh, mama.
Just eat it up there.
But there's people at the table.
Oh, I know.
Let's go to the bookstore, Sally.
Then you go to the library and read books. In the big house.
Wow.
You go shopping. You fix your car. Here. Fix your car. You only need $1 to fix cars.
Money in here. Okay, can you fix my car?
Yeah, we're gonna fix cars. And it has outfits for you to wear.
You want to be a
Clothes
male?
on.
No, I won't put it in.
The hat. Don't put it in there.
So you can do all these different jobs.
So you got the apron on, you're working the roll.
What's so cool is getting to use your imagination and pretend to be grown-ups. It's really cool there.
Can you make my hamburger?
Sure.
That's not how it goes.
Like this. Silly. But when you're tired of running around, you can sit in this big tree. It has carpet padding inside. And it's really cozy and comfy.
Look, is that a big cookie?
If you're a young person, you've got to check this place out. It is so cool. You can also have parties too. They also do fun events sometimes,
Can't let you hold her, honey. She might scratch you.
like bringing in this lady brought in lots of cool animals. She dresses kind of funny, but she's nice. She rescues animals, takes care of them,
Mix between an Asian leopard cat.
then brings them to special events like this. Show kids how to take care of them. Well, that's it for this kid safari.
We're now inside of the tree where it's very padded and cozy. Is it cozy in here, Stanley?
Yes!
Okay, Lila, what do you have to say? Oh, really? What do you have to say, Lila?
Thanks for watching Kid Safari.